These multiple choice questions are taken from Class 8 General Science. 1. In which medium does light travel the fastest? A. Water, B. Glass, C. Vacuum, D. Iron. Answer: C. Vacuum. 2. Sound travels fastest in which medium? A. Vacuum, B. Water, C. Metal, D. Air. Answer: C. Metal. 4. What is the SI unit of power? A. Joule, B. Watt, C. Newton, D. Pascal. Answer: B. Watt.
5. Which type of mirror is used in car rearview mirrors? A plane mirror, B. Concave mirror, C. Convex mirror, D. Cylindrical mirror. Answer: C. Convex mirror.
6. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Ag, BO, CPB, DFE. Answer: BO. 7. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer: C. Nitrogen. 8. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 12. Answer: B. 7. 9. Which element is used in making nuclear reactors? A. Uranium, B. Iron, C. Gold, D. Silver. Answer: A. Uranium. 10. What is the most common element in the universe? Oxygen, B. Carbon, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. Answer: C. Hydrogen. 12. Which part of the human body produces insulin? A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Heart. Answer: B. Pancreas. 13. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Liver, D. Skin. Answer: D. Skin.
14. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Carry oxygen. B. Fight infections. C. Produce hormones. D. Absorb nutrients. Answer: A. Carry oxygen. White heavy checkmark.
15. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Answer: D. Vitamin D. What is the main cause of ocean tides? A. Sun's gravity, B. Wind movement, C. Earth's rotation, D. Moon's gravity. Answer: D. Moon's gravity. Which layer of Earth is made of solid iron and nickel? A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Outer core, D. Inner core. Answer: D. Inner core. What is the closest star to Earth? A. Sirius, B. Betelgeuse, C. Proxima Centauri, D. Sun. Answer: D. Sun. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Argon. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. What is the main ingredient in glass? A. Sand, B. Clay, C. Plastic, D. Wood. Answer: A. Sand. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A, B, B, C, O, D, A, B. Answer: CO. In a vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same A. Wavelength, B. Speed, C. Frequency, D. Amplitude. Answer: B. Speed. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Hydrogen sulfide, D. Ammonia. Answer: B. Nitrous oxide. In nuclear fission, which subatomic particle initiates the chain reaction? A. Proton, B. Electron, C. Neutron, D. Alpha particle. Answer: C. Neutron. What happens in an oxidation reaction? An element loses electrons, B. An element gains electrons. C. Proton count increases. D. Neutrons are removed from the nucleus. Answer: an element loses electrons. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Fluorine, D. Chlorine. Answer: C. Fluorine. Which organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? A nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondrion, D. Golgi apparatus. Answer: C. Mitochondrion.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.